Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd just share a little update with you, film just whatever goes on. I haven't shared a vlog behind the scenes, what I eat in a day, full day of eating, anything in ages. I don't think it'll be a full day of eating, it'll just be, I don't know, snippets of my day. I'll have a little chat with you, update. Yeah, how are you guys? I haven't really checked in a while. It's been a while. Yeah, I've been vegetarian for a couple of months now, if you hadn't noticed already on the channel. And yeah, loving it, love how I feel, love all the variety of meals. I actually had a video supposed to go out today, this week, but I'm still working on it a bit more. I've got 7 lunch ideas, all vegetarian, coming to you probably next week. I've been trying to get 3 videos and blog posts a week out, if you hadn't noticed, and so this is the 3rd one for this week. And I've also got a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has some accidentally vegan recipes. So I just looked through all of my recipe index and all the recipes on my website to find ones which were accidentally vegan, because even though I'm not vegan, I've been enjoying looking and finding veggie vegan recipes and inspiration and all kinds of things, and I'm working on more recipes to bring to you next week. We actually went out yesterday for lunch and I had a goat's cheese salad. I might insert a picture of it here. I just took a picture with my phone and it was the yummiest thing I've had in forever, and I want to try and recreate it. So over this week I'm going to be experimenting, and maybe next week that will come out to you. But for today, what have we got to do? We're going to hang up some curtains. It's coming to daylight savings the next few weeks, so we bought some blackout curtains. So we're going around the house hanging up curtains. We might go for a bit of a drive. It's Saturday. We might go grocery shopping. Who knows, but I'm going to make breakfast in a minute and I'll share that with you, and then just the rest of the adventures for the day. And I'd also love to hear from you as well in the comments. How have you been enjoying my channel lately, the content? What do you want more of? What do you want less of? Let me know in the comments. I always love interacting with you there. So yep, I'm going to go make breakfast and show you what I'm making today. I really need to grocery shop. I'm down to my last onion. That's all the veggies I have left. So definitely we'll be making a trip to Tesco today. I've got this corn vegetarian pepperoni I've been wanting to try. So I might fry that up and have some fried eggs. And I'm going to give this bread, rye bread with hemp seed, a try. No added yeast. I'm just trying different breads to see what I like. And also coming soon, I got this box of plates and bowls I've been eyeing. I bought it from Argus and I'm going to open it finally and give it a wash. All the bowls and plates are washed, and so you can expect all new and colourful goodies coming soon to the channel. But yeah, let's make some breakfast. So I'll very roughly chop the onion. I'm going to just cook it a little bit and then add in the pepperoni to cook as well. So we just got a bit of onion and pepperoni cooked to have with some fried eggs, and I'll show you my plate once it's done. And that's my breakfast. Lovely crispy fried eggs. It's beautiful free range eggs. Actually I just got them at the health food store yesterday, and they're local. Awesome. And I've got that bread underneath with a bit of butter on, and the salami pepperoni, the vegetarian one, cooked up with some onion. That's my breakfast. And then I think afterwards we are going to be hanging curtains. We're in the middle of hanging curtains. Look at the difference. That's obviously the new darker ones, and this is the old lighter ones. It's middle of the morning now, so you can see the light, the difference it makes. Halfway done, I'll show you how dark it is once it's finished. And it's all closed, although my camera's adjusted to the dark. It is so much darker than it appears on here. I don't even know if you can, I can show you, but wow, what a difference it makes. Definitely excellent investment, despite how it looks on the camera. It's pitch black in here. Pretty impressed at how bright my camera is showing it. But yeah, definitely if you're coming into daylight savings and you don't have blackout curtains, invest in them, because yep, you'll have better sleep, the whole family. And another one's done. Again, it looks so much lighter on the camera than it does in real life, but it's so much darker. It's brilliant. And we're in the final room. These are the before and after. All done. Very useful activity, and now we're going to go for a drive and grocery shop. We're at Tesco now. Oh, they've got all new bits. I loved shopping through and see what pretty things I can find. So pretty. I love all floral. Ooh, how much is it? $2.50. Do I need more mugs? Probably not. love all these. I think I'm gonna get some of the burgers. Love the free from choice. There's loads of veggie options of things here. And fruit and veggie time. And there's so much choice of dairy-free alternatives. I've been trying slowly, but I'm still eating dairy, so we'll pick a couple of yummy cheese choices. Have you seen these Halo Top? Look forward to giving them a try. That's our little selection here. I have to get my hot chocolate. I always get this chocolate to make hot chocolates. Have you tried these Beyond Burgers? They're so good, they really taste like meat. More veggie options. Loads of options. We're home from Tesco now, and I'm not going to do a whole haul, but I just thought I'd show you some of the goodies I got. I got these chicken style burgers. I had them last week when I went to Tesco. They're actually from Holland & Barrett, but there's a Holland & Barrett inside my Tesco. So I got these meat-free chicken burgers, which are so yum. The whole family love them, so we're going to have those for lunch today. I found this oomph. I haven't tried it yet. It's rolled. It's supposed to be like barbecued meat. I look forward to giving that a try. Of course, I had to get butter. I always get a big butter to have my goat's cheese. I'm going to make a warm goat's cheese salad. Probably not today though, so keep your eyes peeled next week for goat's cheese salad. I'm going to experiment through the week and come up with a fun recipe to share with you. This pecorino I absolutely love. It tastes like parmesan, but it's vegetarian friendly, so it's all I've been having. And paneer, I've never actually cooked with paneer before, so again I want to experiment and see what I come up with. And my dark chocolate. I still do intermittent fasting, and as you'll see in a bit, I'm going to have a nice big lunch, and then I tend to, just before 4, have a hot chocolate, which just sees me through the rest of the day. It might be a bit strange, but that's what I do, and that's been working for me. So I've got my chocolate to make hot chocolate for later on today. So yeah, I'm going to get on and make lunch, and I'll show you my finished plate then. And there you go, that's my finished lunch. It's on a brioche bun. I've got my burger, I've got mushrooms, I've got a bit of sauerkraut, cheese, and I've got vegan mayo as my toppings of choice. And so I'm going to enjoy my lunch burger, and I'll catch up with you this afternoon. So it's now 3 o'clock. That lunch really filled me up. I haven't really eaten anything since then, and I'm going to get on and do a bit of work now. Edit this video, probably publish today's video, which is going to be the strawberry cheesecake mousse. So if you haven't seen it yet, have a look. And I'm going to end this video here because the rest of the day is really going to involve hot chocolate, a bit of work. I might watch something on Netflix with my husband this evening. It is Saturday night, so we're going to be really wild and crazy and watch something on Netflix. And yeah, I thought I'd end it here as well because I want to hear from you if you like this kind of video. Do you want me to film more kind of day in the lives, what I get up to here in Ireland? I just leave it to you what you want to see in future. But yep, thank you so much for watching today, and remember also to check down below for the link to the blog post with my accidentally vegan recipes for loads of veggie inspiration that the whole family will love. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.